Hi guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show. Today I want to share another 3D print with you. I'm making a bunch of these actually. They're little tape guns. I found this on Thingiverse, the file for this, and I've actually made some improvements to it. I've also made it a pin holder. You can slide a pin in the back here, right here guys. And it's got some tension built into that hole so these pins fit and they stick in there and stay in there so that when you're wrapping, say, gifts and you need a name tag, you got your pin right here with you. So it's like a miniature tape gun. This is just the handle piece right here, but the improvements I made were with the blade and the blade holder. I'll get to that in a minute. And then also with tension applied to your Scotch tape so that this doesn't just unravel out all by itself when you're trying to pull some out. It needed a spring tensioner here that you can tighten up, and we did that on this print. So guys, I'm going to show you how this goes together. You've got the handle part, this roller part. All these just kind of fit together like a little model or puzzle. So the roller goes in right here. And then you've got the cutter head. Now on the cutter, I'll show you what blade I use. Right now it doesn't have a blade in it. I'm just putting the blade holder in it, and then you sandwich the roller and that blade holder with this other end cap piece. And that will go on there like that. Now sometimes you might have to file some of these little ears on here so that they fit after your print. Like I did a little bit on this one. And then what I do, it's hard to press together. I've got one of these clamps right here. And once I fit them together, I just squeeze this. And that just clamps it together, helps you clamp it together easier. So there we go guys, all clamped together. Our roller's in there, it's rolling smoothly. Our blade holder. Now the blade holder I made out of aluminum foil. This cutter that's on an aluminum foil box. This is just generic brand, Publix brand aluminum foil. And I just cut off a piece right here off the end, and I'm going up, I'm making a bunch of these like I told you, so I'm cutting these off. I can't find it, might have fell off the table here, but I'm gonna go ahead, cut another one. So I'm gonna line it up with that hole, that length of the hole in there in that blade holder. And we're gonna cut a piece. And I'm using these wire cutters right here. They actually come with 3D printers. So, put it right there, try to make a straight cut. And then take a pair of scissors and cut the rest of this off. The rest of the cardboard. And then you'll have a piece like this, guys, of blade. Make sure the blade part is sticking out. Put it in there, make sure it fits first, make sure you got the right length, and it does fit nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a couple dabs of super glue to that. Then we'll be about finished. So let's go. A couple dabs there, dab there. And then just push it in there, right into that blade holder slot. And then you'll just want to hold it there for about 30-40 seconds, guys, in place until that super glue dries. All right, guys, next thing you want to do is take your roll of tape, Scotch tape, fit that on there. You can pull this out below the roller. Actually, we'll put the nut on first. I got a nut here for it. Also, I've got a washer, and this applies tension to the other side of the tape roller, because you need that tension. The original make didn't have this, and this is a reverse thread. So now you've got tension on your tape, so it's not just going to go rolling out freely on you. So guys, there we go. Give it another minute here for that blade to dry. Actually, I've got another one here I put together last night. This is a white one here. Same parts on this one. I got the blade in there, it's already dry. And so you just grab your tape and pull it up. Works flawlessly, guys. These are very cool. I put the larger size handle on there. The other original one had like where you could hold it with 2 fingers. It was too tiny to work with, you know, in a realistic, you know, type of way. And then you've got your pen. So guys, if you like this, I'll leave all the files to this. And the pins that I got are these F301 pins by Zebra. I'll leave the link to these too as well in the description below. Guys, that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.